Hi, it's Niamh in Tully Nurseries, loving my new wheels this morning. I was dying to show you what's inside, lots of colours, so have a look. These lovely Intacantia Alstroemeria. This one is called Maya, and behind it is Sunday. And a really interesting shade called Valentino, maybe good for Valentine's. These 3 litre dianthus, if you can see there, I'll just pop it up. Oops. These are absolutely gorgeous in a 3 litre pot. That one's called Megan. And we also have, oh my goodness, it's late in the day, Mel. So Mel is really nice shade of orange and kind of yellow, really unusual. Yes, we have marigolds in the Bella Bloom pot. And behind them there, as you can see, and behind them we have pelargoniums, really nice, also in the Bella Bloom pot. And there you see the dahlias, the dark leaf dahlias are just peeping up. Salvia hot lips in a 3 litre pot. Cordyline Cherry Sensation new this week. Also really nice chunky large 4 litre fuchsias. And bear with me a second now. Dying just to show you what we have here in the back. So Parahebe selling extremely well, Avalanche. Also this combo, Festuca Intense Blue and Angel Wings, you can see with the nice Bella Bloom label. Rhubarb and Custard flying as usual. Really like these gorgeous petticoats. This one is called Pink Petticoat here. And we also have normal petticoat, really like it. Lots of French lavender, Bandera pink. And I just want to pop around now and show you this Dahlia Yin Yang. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Today also on the road, this Rebecca, oh sorry, apologies now, shaking the camera, Smiley, really nice. Also have Echinacea, white Echinacea there, and this Hydrangea Little Elf, which we launched last week. Also 3 litre Salvia Blue and Pink Marvel, and these gorgeous pom-pom dahlias. This one's called Lavender Swirl, really like the shade. Finally, don't miss the Dahliegras. The dahlia is gorgeous, like pink and white one there. So lots of colour in my new set of wheels. Have a look at the list, and if you want us to call, give us a shout. Thanks.